Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Another day in the market, man. I see the market pulling back overnight. Nvidia had a sell off, tech having a sell off, so time to go get some of that stuff. Your AMDs, Nvidias, the Micron Technologies, all the chip AI companies, Amazon. Trying to go get some of those. Y'all make sure y'all watch my Cash App trading live. I do like every night. I get it ready for tomorrow. Go put the buy orders in at fractional shares and keep it moving. That's when I give you all those like the chip stocks and the growth stocks that I don't have in this portfolio here. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's get through it. All right, get your papers and pencils or pens. I'm about to give y'all about 5 stocks that you got to go buy another portfolio. These are monthly paying CEFs, closing funds. Um, for y'all that's looking for monthly passive income slash cash flow. All right, that's a lot to think about. All right, we're gonna go with OXLC. Ticker OXLC. You're gonna go in at $4.40. Set your buy limits there. Pays 9 cents a share a month. You're gonna go with CFF. CFF. These are cornerstone funds. CFF going at $6.63. Pays like 11.8 cents a share a month. 0.118 cents a share a month. Go with CLM, which is another cornerstone. Pays 12 cents a share a month, going at $6.92. And I think those are the only 3. The rest you can get in here. All right, man, let's go. Let's go get our trades in. All right, I gave you CFF, CLM, OXLC. I put my buy orders in already. All right, we're going to go with AGNC. And we know this pays y'all should be remember these dividends. 12 cents a share a month. You get $5 worth at these prices. Fractional shares doing in this portfolio to cash up. Go PFLT, 10 cents a share a month. Then 964, we're gonna ride this on up. It's gonna get $2 worth today since it's green. It was red earlier, but by the time I just got to it, it's green. I'm gonna go with SBUC, SBLK, Marine Dry Shipping Company. Just gonna go down the list. 1331, still in buy range. Just gonna be a nice easy swing trade here. And pays a nice dividend. We're gonna go GOGL. You gotta see times you got to ride the market up. GOGL gonna go get $3 worth for this. 708. Gonna ride it on up. Alright, we're gonna go with hold on one second. Alright, that was GOGL. I'm gonna go with OXSQ. $2.49. This one coming down 3.5 cents a share a month. I want it. I'm gonna go with ARR. Buy order limit 1403 if you want to put it in. Okay, y'all know I'm cashing up. RYLD. Usually give you 16 cents a share when it's trading in the $16 range, but as we know right now, it's not. I'll go with Horizon, HRZN. With this 11 cents a share a month. All right, we're going to go ahead and knock out these two so I don't forget about them. Let's go to SCHD. to get some of that. Want to hit Nike real quick. I don't want to miss nothing on my list. I know Nike gonna be a long-term hold, long-term trade. You need the dollar cost average on down. For y'all that do like Nike, this is a perfect time for you to get in. Hold on, OXXQ, CHD, boom, 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 Nike. We're gonna go XDTE. Pays out weekly. I was waiting on this to pull on back. QDTE. Also pays out weekly. Go XYLD. Pays out monthly. 11.68% dividend yield. AMDY getting beat up because AMD is getting beat up. Haven't button any of that in a while. Let's go and hit these two while I'm in the area on my list. WEN. Wendy's got down to $12.64 today. All right, Wendy's got down to $12.64 today. $7 worth of Wendy's. At this price, was my average cost now $14.82. Bring that down. What else? SCHG while in this area. Got $23.95. Got the average cost down. It's a long-term play. That's the S&P 500 Charles Schwab version. We're gonna go NVDY. Options on NVIDIA. Now it's getting stumped. Time to go in on that. We're gonna go KHC. Kraft Heinz. Lower down that average cost. Nice 6% yield. Buying whole companies, some consider. All right, that's on that page. I'm gonna go QYLD. It's definitely coming back down. 52-week low is what? It's like it's about to break the 15 out. 52-week low is 14.48. So at these prices, get $10 a day. QYLD, that's one I definitely like. YMAG, another weekly pair. I'll go YMAX, another weekly pair. I'll go SPYT. Pays out monthly like 33 cents a share. Definitely buy at these prices. Alright, SPIT, YMAX, QYLD. Let me go ahead and knock out Medifast real quick. You might want to stay out of this one. Like I say, this is a weight loss company. $100 cost averaging in it. They say don't buy a stock if you're not willing to hold it for at least 10 years. So look like I'm gonna be holding this one. We're gonna see what's gonna happen, man. I'm gonna just swing trade and get up out of it. All right, RYLD. I done did that RYLD. That's twice today. My bad. I did do Horizon. I ain't marked them down on my list. That's why I like jumping from stocks on my paper. Gonna go with Two Harbors, TWO. This is the real estate REIT. I like real estate. This one you might like. And for me to come down in this. Go back up and do my list so I don't be missing stuff. CHMI, Cherry Hill Mortgage, another REIT, 268. Excuse me, this will go back above the $3 mark. Nice swing trade. And you can also get that dividend while holding it. Now, I should have traded this and got out of it. Took my profit and got back in it right now. But anyway, CAPT, I probably would not have done it. Put the money in AGNC or ARR. Charge point down to 58 cents today. Sure, that's 57 cents, 57 and a half. Be ready to hold charge point. I'm holding mine about 2027. ARI. It's Apollo. All right, back with ARI. Other one need to come down there. Nice quarterly dividend yield also. Boom. We'll go with Ready Capital, ticker RC. If y'all like dividends, these are the plays you want to make. All right, Medifast, CHMI, OXSQ. Make sure we did do OXXQ. I think we did do that though. OXSQ. But it is the 16th, correct? Yep, 249. Let's get our plays on that. All right, let's go check out traps to get through the trade. I'm gonna do my dividend growth with my growth / dividend growth stocks. You know, I do that with my Cash App portfolio, so y'all have to watch that video. All right, bank stocks coming back. Citibank and USB Bank had good earnings. Get Leggett and Platt from yesterday. Notice still getting beat down. It's the kind of dollar cost average down with it. Swing trade myself up out of that. Comcast, another one. I'm going for dividends now, so ain't worrying about all these growth stocks. These companies not what they were, even though it's getting crashed right about now. The only thing Comcast really good for is the internet and their cell phone service. I'd rather deal with a Verizon or AT&T before that. Let's go get some land. SBSW is on the tail, man. It's ripping. Yup, Intel, like I say, chip stocks down. Definitely gonna gobble this up at these prices. Take advantage of these dips. Like I said, it might be a little ugly out here, but AFCG still getting tore up. Nice dividend. Another REIT I'm probably going to get myself out of. All right, we got 2 New York Mortgage Trust. Know this one getting beat up. These are plays you want, the undervalued stocks. Coney, another one. You want to get your 100 shares? It's time for you to do it at these prices. Walmart pulling back around the $91 range. Got to buy that pull back. Doesn't pull back that often. No, this a buy and hold stock, especially need to gobble up over that 100 under the $100 range. Costco is another one I like. Like ULTY also. NVDY got that. QQQY pays out weekly, down 1% today. I want to get 100 shares of this one too. WMY pays out weekly also. PPPY is another one. Options on PayPal, pays out monthly. FEPI is another one, pays out monthly, nice dividend yielder. So I had these on $1 a day recurring when the prices was high. That's why my average cost is so high. I don't own a lot of shares, but I'm just dollar cost averaging down now. TOPT is definitely a long-term play I like. The top 20 U.S. stocks. I think this is a sleeper. All right, right now I'm at PET, so I was scheming down. I forgot about this one going to $2.99 for 2 shares. Y'all just upside down in it. I want to get into the trade. That's PETs. Now I'm about to go back down to TOPT where I've been. Another one I'm getting, just want to show y'all my trades, is Angles. This is the grocery store stock. When I'm swing trading, in case any of y'all own that one. RINC. It's another nice monthly paying real estate ETF. All right, Shamera Investments. It's 1114 is at. It's at the top of the night. The top is down, but not at the bottom where I like it. So I'm gonna do $2. I was gonna do $5. All right, we was at TOPT. I did PPPY, FFB. There you go, TOPT is where we were. SVOL, 27 cents a share a month. You're gonna get some of that. Hope this pull back some more under the $15 range so I can load up. SPYI is another monthly payer. Yep, let the dividends pay the cash balance back, pay the little margin back, a little bit of margin I am using during this time, and gonna leave it alone and keep pushing, man. All right, man, that is it. Y'all stay safe out there. It's another plane crash I heard about. Man, it's crazy out here with these planes, man, and I got to fly out when tomorrow, so I'm about to hit that road again, and it's just ugly out here, man. It's a crazy world. Just stay prayed up. Man, remember, man, a small circle in a private life equals a peace of mind. That's the word that I live by. But y'all stay safe, man. Signing off. Go get your money.